What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna change the oil on one 2013 Volkswagen Jetta with 100,000 miles. We're gonna use 5W40 oil, and let's repark the car. So guys, I have here this oil drain, how it's called, bucket, I don't know how it's called, for like 6 quarters, and I'm gonna go underneath the car and gonna do the job. So here we go. And I need a key.
What key?
19 millimeters. Let's go. It's bigger.
It's too big?
It's smaller.
Maybe 17?
Maybe 17.
No, you got 18. This is 17. Push one?
Mm-hmm.
There you go, perfect. Okay, now move.
So the next step is gonna be wait until the oil is gonna be drained fully, and we're gonna change the oil filter, and that's it.
Nice. Where's the filter?
The filter is right here. So we got some 10,000 miles filter, extended life. It's just a paper one for the Jetta, along with this gasket. Yep, so this will go up there. And yeah, let's take off the cover first. Oh,
Attaboy.
Here we
Those
go.
muscles came in handy, huh?
All we need is channel locks and some pressure.
300 something.
We found it. So if you want to buy a merch, that's the exact time when you need to buy the burning rubber, the link in the description. And here we go, guys. Filter. Okay.
Oh, oh, так лучше.
Do you guys like the music? So that's it. All we need is to put it back. Maybe I need to wipe it. That's it. And we're ready to go. We need to put the new oil in, and it's gonna be brand new 100,000 mile. Hey kid, you want some new oil? 5W40, братан, 5W40, а? So next step, guys. Next step, we are going and taking the 5W40. No branding, Castro. That's hard. Is it new? The next step after we open this bottle is to close the drain plug, right?
Yes.
Right. So. And ready to roll. Thank you. And here we go, guys. I hope you like this video. Buy merch, use our affiliate links, because we need a project car.
What kind of project car do you want to get?
I want a C63 AMG, but I'm thinking to get a C300 and just to buy an AMG kit and to make just a S63 AMG look, maybe exhaust, and that's it. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comment below.
How much did you put already?
I have 1.5 left.
Are you sure? Maybe wait.
What do you mean wait?
You gonna put all 5?
Yeah, I mean
How much you have left? 1.5?
4.5 at least.
You already... Wait, how much you have left? You have 1.5 left. Maybe check, dude, before you put it.
I mean, I need some oil, brother.
Huh?
I need some oil.
Okay, alright, your car. So they don't have to end up draining it.
I don't think so. It's 4.9 in the engine, 5 in this oil bucket. I have left like 0.7 quarters. Let's just check it.
So let's drop the car.
Yeah, let's drop the car, close the. Okay, so it's now time to check the oil level, and we whatever this one. So let's see what's in here. And that's like, oh, minimum, look, it's right here.
And then,
That's not even on minimum,
okay.
so I need at least all the oil I have. That's it, 5 bottles. It's like on the left side.
That's fine.
And the oil pan, it's on the minimum.
Still?
Yeah,
Are you serious?
yeah.
Shoot.
I mean, it's kind of sitting like on the left side more,
Wow.
but this one's on the left too.
Whoa, that's crazy.
I know. My car is. I love my car. Oh, it's.
Are you gonna put the other canister in?
No.
Why? Don't you want full?
Ну, я сейчас, да, я попробую, поезжу. I need to run the engine. Maybe. Ну чё, ребят, погнали на тест-драйв. Сейчас я вас прокачу. Look at this. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Do you guys smell it? Smells like burning rubber merch. Yeah. These hoodies, these t-shirts. We're still waiting for ours. And it's only 40 bucks. For you guys, 20 bucks discount with promo code Audi. Ha. 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 From the end. I would say pretty minimum level. This level, the center is right here.
It's
So-
almost.
I mean, I'll probably gonna be driving 5 quarters for now, and I have the extra bottle, so I'll add some oil after. But that's gonna be it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and check our other videos. It's oil change on the Audi A4 B9 and the oil change on the Audi A4. Oh, this is A4 B8.5, and this one Audi A4 B9. With these cars we changed the oil with oil extractor, this one. So, but as you can see, it's only like 3 quarters from the engine. I don't want to change the oil half with old, half with new, you know what I'm saying? So, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.